How little can you sleep before your body gets into real trouble? Large multi-country analyses show that sleeping under 7 hours is linked with higher all-cause mortality. Strangely, sleeping over 9 hours is also linked with higher risk, but that's usually because an underlying condition is making you sleep longer, not because sleep itself is harmful. So why do some people sleep 8 hours and still wake up exhausted? The missing piece is sleep efficiency. How much of your time in bed is real, restorative sleep? Today, let's fix inefficient sleep with science-backed steps that help you fall asleep faster, wake fewer times, and feel more alert in the day. This is educational content, not personal medical advice. If you have red flags like loud snoring with pauses, choking or gasping at night, severe daytime sleepiness, chest pain, or dozing off while driving, please see a clinician. Melatonin is your brain's sleep signal. Bright or blue-leaning light in the evening suppresses it. If you fall asleep with lights on or scroll a glowing phone in bed, your brain thinks it's still daytime. 2 hours before bed, dim household lights and switch screens to warm color. 1 hour before bed, avoid overhead glare and use bedside lamps at the lowest setting. In bed, keep the phone out of arm's reach. If you must use it, apply a red tinted filter and minimum brightness. In the morning, within 30 minutes of waking, get natural light for 5 to 10 minutes to anchor your body clock and make tonight's melatonin stronger. Falling asleep is easier when your core temperature drops slightly. Counterintuitively, a warm shower or a brief foot soaked 60 to 90 minutes before bed pulls heat to the skin. As you cool afterward, your core temperature falls and sleep pressure rises. Keep the bedroom cool, about 60 to 67 degrees Fahrenheit or 16 to 19 Celsius, so your body can let go. Keep hands and feet under the covers. When they get cold, your body may resist sleep. Progressive muscle relaxation is a simple, proven technique. Lie on your back. Tense your toes and feet as you breathe in, then release as you breathe out. Move to calves, thighs, hips, abdomen, chest, shoulders, arms, neck, and face. Imagine each region sinking into the mattress on every exhale. This interrupts rumination and downshifts the nervous system. If your mattress is rock hard and doesn't contour, pressure points can wake you up repeatedly. Aim for a surface that gently conforms while supporting a neutral spine. The goal isn't soft or hard, it's pressure relief plus support. If you snore loudly, stop breathing, or wake with a dry mouth or morning headache, you might have sleep apnea. You may not remember awakenings, but your brain is repeatedly aroused out of deep sleep. That's classic low sleep efficiency. Over-the-counter strips or sprays can reduce noise, but if symptoms persist, get evaluated. Treatments like weight loss, side sleeping, oral appliances, or CPAP can transform daytime energy and protect long-term heart and metabolic health. Small habits return big results. Set a caffeine cutoff 8 to 10 hours before bed. Early afternoon for most people. Alcohol is not a sleep aid. It fragments sleep and suppresses REM. Exercise is great for sleep, but finish vigorous sessions 3 to 4 hours before bedtime. Keep the same wake time 7 days a week. Your brain loves rhythm. Before bed, write down 2 or 3 things you'll handle tomorrow to close the mental loop so your brain stops looping. If you need a nap, keep it under 30 minutes and before 3 p.m. When you truly sleep 7 to 9 hours, control light, temperature, and timing, yet remain exhausted, look for medical causes. Thyroid disorders, iron deficiency, depression or anxiety, chronic pain, reflux, asthma, certain medications, or restless legs can all erode sleep quality. A clinician can screen with targeted history and labs. Don't tough it out for months. Efficient sleep starts with a healthy body. Here's your action plan. Evening dim, morning bright to repair melatonin. Warm, then cool. A short warm shower 60 to 90 minutes before bed, plus a cool bedroom. Use progressive muscle relaxation to shut off hyperarousal. Address snoring and apnea if present. Time your caffeine and alcohol wisely keep a consistent schedule, and use short, early naps if needed. Give it 7 days. Most people feel a measurable lift in morning alertness and fewer midday crashes. If this helped you, subscribe to Vital Proof and tell me what changed after your 7-day trial. Educational only. If you notice red flags or new worrisome symptoms, please see a clinician. Sleep well.